So today we're in Farnborough, of all places, and I'm a guest speaker at this event where there's literally loads and loads of Gurkhas, and they are my favourite they're my favourite group in the military. I think they do such an awesome job. They're massively underappreciated and underpaid. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And also there's a big topic here about gold and silver. So it's a bullion business which is hosting this event. And I think, just chatting with a few people at lunch, I think there's a massive misconception when it comes to gold and silver. And I've literally walked this road. At my first business, I was a gold and silver bullion dealer. It was, and it was of a sizable size. We were doing about 120 grand a month in revenue. So there's a lot of volume going out. And so after being in that world for a fair number of years, it's like I've seen every little nook and cranny of that world, and also the people that are attracted to gold and silver. And I guess technically this is Siam opinion hat on, but I feel that this is more fact than real opinion. But basically, if you're investing in gold and silver, you have to understand what and why you're doing it, because ultimately it's not a cash flowing asset. Okay, it's simply an appreciating asset, i.e. you're hoping you buy low and hoping you sell high. Okay, so you have hope there, and hope with investing is shit. You should never rely on hope or any third party for that matter. But at the same time as it being a capital appreciating asset, actually, when you really dive into it, it's actually a store of wealth. So it's literally wealth preservation, because the value of all fiat currencies are going down. They're literally flying down, whereas the value of gold and silver remains constant. Now, you may see the price of gold and silver fluctuating up and down, but actually what's happening is that the value of gold and silver remains constant, but the price of the currency you're looking at it is going up and down. So if you see gold prices going up, like the gold against the dollar is going up, well, no, the value of gold is actually staying constant, but the value of the dollar is plummeting, and that's represented as the price of gold going up. So yeah, it's a store of wealth over a long period of time. And if you can't hold it, you don't own it. Literally, you don't buy paper gold and silver. You need the physical stuff. Here's a good example. Like a 1 ounce gold coin, this is silver, but a 1 ounce gold coin would buy you a nice tailor-made toga in the Roman times, or a suit of armor. And these days, that same ounce of gold will buy you a nice tailor-made Armani suit. So the value remains constant. It's just the price of the fiat currency, it fluctuates. So another thing is that a lot of people I see, they try and get in investing in gold and silver because they want cash flow from it, but you don't. There's no yield. It's literally something you buy, hold, and yeah, that's it. So I don't know. It's just a little myth. I want to. I can't think. I feel like shit today. And look at this shirt. This is the most uncreased shirt ever. It's like, the most creased shirt ever. My kids were playing with it. They're building little dens from it and stuff. So, yeah. Even the iron thing in the hotel today couldn't fix it. So I will be keeping this on. We're going back in the room. So, yeah. And Mike Tyson has a really good quote. He said, "Everyone has a plan until they get punched in the face." Yeah, and I'm an MMA fan, and has anyone heard of the Gracie family? Yeah, so Hoist Gracie, the kingpin of the Gracie family, once said that in a fight, if you're fighting a black belt, you punch them in the face, they're now a purple belt. Kick them in the face, they're now a blue belt, etc., etc. And so yeah, basically, whenever stuff like this happens, everything goes to shit. All your plans, your life dreams, aspirations, etc. And you have to recoup, you have to regather and then attack.